Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this Subaru bumper that has a dent in it here. So, not really sure exactly what ended up happening. The customer ended up probably backing into something. Basically kind of, well, what ended up coming up here is the customer was actually took it to a body shop to actually have the repairs done, or get a quote I should say. And they wanted, if I remember right, I think he told them like $800 to $900 to get the bumper painted and all fixed up and stuff like that using your traditional body shop method for repair. So just kind of looking over some of the damage here. You do see a little bit of paint damage up here. There's some scuffing and scratching and stuff like that up and through the area here. None of this is too extreme, as well as some scuffs and stuff over here as well. So basically kind of looking at it here, we're going to actually go ahead and work all this damage out using kind of our paintless dent repair methods here to go ahead and get this bumper all dent free once again. It's just, hold on here. All right, so still trying to work in this gimbal thing. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and actually go ahead and push a lot of this damage out here using paintless dent repair and get the bumper all back to its place where it needs to be, so it's not looking like it's dented anymore. And the customer was actually even nice enough to bring over some Subaru touch-up paint for us, so we can actually do some touch-up paint and stuff like that to the paint damaged areas there, as well as we're gonna actually take a buffer to the scuffed and scratched areas there and actually get a lot of those scratches and stuff out. Obviously, we don't do a whole lot of bumper repairs, strictly because a lot of times it ends up being plastics broken. There's extreme spider cracks or a lot of paint missing. This damage here that we've got behind us here is actually a perfect candidate for paintless dent repair, if the customer is willing to live with touch-up paint on the spot. So it's got just a couple little minor spots where the paint's actually damaged, and with it being the darker color that it is, it's actually going to touch up, or it's going to look very good with touch-up paint. Basically how we like to best describe touch-up paint to customers is, think of it as if you had a black button-up shirt with a black button on it. So it's not going to look super weird or odd, but if you're paying attention and looking exactly where, let's say, the button or the paint scratches, you will end up seeing a little bit of a color difference. Even though it's, factory paint and everything like that, it's still just not strictly going to match. I mean, you're never going to get the, the factory paint spray out color match using a touch-up paint. So customer was totally fine with that because we're able to actually fix this at a fraction of the price that your body shop's going to traditionally want to do basically a full repaint of the entire bumper. Take the bumper off, completely disassemble all the parts on it, and then actually respray the entire bumper assembly. The vehicle here, it's a 2012 Legacy, and it's got quite a bit of dents and dings along the side of it. So it's just a paid off car that's a real good runner, and they just want to take care of it and make it look better. So they're not looking at breaking the bank and doing a whole bunch of extra unnecessary work and whatnot, so they contacted us. So anyways, if you'd like to contact us for any type of dent repair or have any questions about the repair I've shown you here today, feel free to go and reach out, call or text us at 605-250-1023, or visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. Like I said, if you have any questions on any of this, leave them down in the comments, and maybe I'll even get to answer them here today, and we'll get the repair all finished up here for you, and you'll be seeing a picture a little bit later today as far as the finished results, maybe even a video about the repair. So anyways, take care guys, thanks for watching, we'll see you guys on the next one.